Hello guys and welcome back to Gostech. In this lesson, you will learn how to import media folder instead of importing files. All you need to do is click on the import button here and click import media folder and choose what folder do you want to import. As you see, the files now are imported. The second way to import folder media is go to File, Import Media folder. The files are already imported. In the Import section, you can also import media from a camera or phone, import with Instant Cutter tool, import with AutoBeat Sync, and import from other apps like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And learn always something new every day.